Hello, welcome back to German Brew. Today, a mysterious brew. I don't know. I forget it in a cabinet. I can show a picture here. And yes, I forget it there. I don't know what it is. I know it was leaking a little bit. It has a batch number. The problem is I can't read the batch number. But we will see. I have here my book from last year, what batches we make. I know it's not the 6, the 5, because these are the strawberry mead. The batch numbers start with number 3. It was a Zoe and pasta mess, and we finished it already in July. We have the 4, a Viking blood. That's not a Viking blood. The 5 was a strawberry mead. We have a traditional mead here.
One eternity later.
Now I have, this must be number 9, Rooibos Cream Orange. I remember I found this delicious Rooibos tea in a hotel, and I bring it. That it is. We found it. Okay. It's always good to write, because also there is no final gravity. I remember it was really, really cloudy a long, long time. That's why I put it away. And yes, now we found it again. Okay, we have, we started with 3 liters of water, 1 kilogram of honey, 3 tea bags of this Rooibos orange cream. Hopefully the taste is still there. We're using dead breastseed as nutrients, and we have a table wine yeast 12%. The start gravity was 1.110. So, okay, it's a number 9. We find it. Okay, the first at all, we need to try it. Be careful. We will bottle it today. Yesterday in the live stream, I cleaned this bottle also for the wines I make in other live stream. And let's see. We open it. I refill this one. Okay, it's difficult to open. But now the yeast cake seems me a little bit more solid. It's sealed. It's completely sealed. Oh! Okay. Whew. Nothing happened. The time let the yeast cake become solid. Yes, there is some. Smells like meat. It smells really good. Yeah, there is some honey on the edges. I think we already will start. I need to bottle it anyway. If it tastes good or not, we will see. We will put it up here, really, really careful. It's not perfectly clear, but clear enough. And of course, we need to find out what gravity we still have. That we will do. We have 3 bottles prepared. Just 3 liters, so it's okay. Also, I'm sure we will lose a lot. Today I sanitize my tools with an alcohol-based sanitizer. So let's see. Okay, there it flows. Let's put the hydrometer inside. but it looks good. It looks like a good mead. I have a new bottling wand, but it's too big. You will see it in the live stream of the when I'm bottling the big mead, the 30-liter fermenter I made. Okay, without dropping. Put it inside here. Okay, nothing is floating anymore, really. It's not completely dry. It still has some points. 1.004. Okay, that's not a lot. Okay, it's done. 3 bottles. Close them well. Okay, we have already 3 bottles. Okay, we have here the gravity 1.004. It's really just so low. Then we write it down. After this, we can calculate. What we said, number 9. Rooibos Creamy Orange. So, final gravity 1.004. That means we lose 0.106. So then we need to calculate it around 13-14%. Now here are the right. If you don't know how to calculate, it's start gravity minus final gravity, and then multiply with 135. Some multiply with 131, but it depends. We will find out which one is more close when we sending the big mead to the laboratory. That's the plan. We have now our 13% mead, and let's see. So in the first, it looked clear. I can see the camera in it. There is a really heavy honey. Something is there, but I don't know what. I can smell, of course, the honey. That's most the thing I smell. I just write down blossom honey. I don't write down which one. So I don't know. Maybe I will see later in the video. So let's try. Whoa, it's really nice. Rooibos is there. It's a rooibos. You can really taste it. It's there, but really soft and smooth. By the way, the viscosity in the mouth is really low. It just flow and lay on the tongue. The light sweetness is also perfect. I don't have an orange flavor, or it's hidden in the rooibos. Really interesting. Something is also not right in the It can't be 3 liters, it must be 2 liters. I write wrong in the past because 3 liter water, 1 kilo honey is not 1.110. But I like it. It's nice. It's good to drink. Especially it came from the cabinet, and there it's a little bit cold because it's a direct wall to the roof. So there is roof, and in the roof is a small cabinet. You can see it on the picture. Video. I make a small video. You saw it in the small video. There are a lot of toys in front of. Yeah, a really nice mead. I can taste the Rooibos really good. It's more the Rooibos give a little bit more tannin, other tannin than the black tea. I like it, but I'm a little bit disappointed because there is no orange creamy flavor. It has some light and fruitiness, but I can't say it's orange. But it's a really nice mouthfeel. It's a good meat.
So it's time to try. What is this? This is meat.
Meat, yes.
Oh wow. Ah. Oh wow. It has black tea.
Rooibos.
Huh?
Rooibos.
What is rooibos?
It's a tea, African tea.
Ah, so yeah, there's something really the taste and the smell of it.
This meat is already also 8 months old. It's really, really good and drinkable. But it will not stay for long, I'm pretty sure. 1 bottle I will give again, 1 I will storage, and the last one is easy to drink. So, yes, I like it. We see us the next time. Also, sometimes I will make live streams. That means I will make batches that already you know the recepts in big, for example. I wanted to start now a big Viking blood. Of course, you don't need to see again Viking blood. I will make a live stream similar to the big Sir William Parson mess. The live stream also you will see on this channel. But of course, when we make live stream, we can talk. And of course, next week I will start a new brew again. And here are 2 more videos. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Maybe you subscribe if you don't have until now. And we see you the next time. Bye.
Delicious.